Players take to the pitch with victory in their sights. Who'll move first for the ball? Boom! The bomb has exploded. Why take any risks when you can score with a superpower? He drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. He tries another load. The match is 2-1. He's trying to score an incredible goal. Brilliant. The match is now 3-2. This definitely looks like a basketball game with the goal! Unlucky off the post. Both players are really pumped up. A shot blasted towards the right corner. Great header to deflect the ball. And it's a goal! He's playing against Sub-Zero, surely. This time he scored with his head. He used the giant player. He transformed into a giant and the goalpost is frozen. He cleared the ball with his head. They still have their... What's happening? An own goal. A fireball. The score is 6-5. A shot from the air. He drilled the ball into the net. Fantastic strike. A nice header. He sees the goal and shoots. He lit up the goal with that kick. The gap can easily be closed. Goal! 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 He scored plenty from there before. What a finish. He scored right in the top corner. The equaliser can come at any time. He headed the ball onward. Goal! 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 The ball bounced off the goalpost. That's it. Beautiful strike. The last 30 seconds of the game. When will the players use their last superpowers, I wonder? That's a fine header. He's turned into a giant in front of goal. He's trying. The ball meets the net. A powerful kick. Hats off to that amazing goal. That goal was one of a kind. Fantastic. He tried his luck with that. What an amazing goal. Right into the back of the net. An amazing header. Final 10. That's a legendary goal. Ball went over the goal. He shot the ball towards the upper crossbar. The match is almost over. It was almost a last-second goal. The match has ended. We watch so many brilliant goals continuously.